welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be trying out a new makeup look. Alright guys, so I am starting off with a fresh face. I just filmed my skincare routine, so you can kind of see that my face is really moisturized and pretty clear, thankfully right now, other than like the situation on my nose. And I am wearing some Pat McGrath Lip Fetish Balm just to moisturize my lips before we put some product on it. So as usual, I'm going to start off with some primers. I'm doing two today. I am going to start off with the new CoverGirl True Blend Base. It is their pore minimizing primer. It's kind of purpley. Concentrating kind of on my forehead, my nose area, because that's kind of where I think my pores are the biggest. But you can kind of put it wherever you think your pores need some minimizing. Next, I am going to be using the Armani Nourishing Glow Enhancer Oil in Gel. I love this guy, but I don't use it all the time just because it's a little pricey, I believe. I was gifted this one, but I think if I had to buy it myself, it'd be pretty pricey. So this one I'm gonna use even less than the other primer, so like not even a pea size. I am going to focus it on my cheekbones right here and maybe right there, because that's kind of just like where I want the glow to focus on. Kind of. Okay, as you guys know, I don't really use foundation, but I do have like some spots right now, especially on my nose. So I am going to be using my mini NARS concealer. I just bought like a really small one because I had a big one before and I just like never finished it, and it just like got really thick. And so yeah, here, let me get a mirror so I can smudge it in. I'm gonna put some concealer at the edge of my nostrils too, just because they tend to be a little bit more red. Okay, so today, because I'm going for more like an eye makeup look and it's like a golden one, I'm going to be keeping my face makeup pretty neutral and bronzy. So I'm going to be using the YSL Les Saharians Bronzing Stone, kind of for more like a contour. Kind of blend it upwards because for some reason this lighting is making me look really pale and making it look a lot darker than it is. So just like a minor contour on the nose. So next I'm using the MAC Global Glow Mineralized Skin Finish. I'm going to be taking this brush for it, and then just kind of where I would put blush, apply this guy. It's a lighter colored bronzer, but it's more of like a metallic-y, glowy finish. So it will help blend that contour of my face. And then help blend the highlight too later. We're doing a pretty bronzy, glowy look, which is kind of my favorite kind of look. So I am going to come back to the face after I'm finished the eyes. I am going to be using the Fenty Beauty eye primer. So this is the new palette that I'm trying. It's from Charlotte Tilbury. It's their Stars in Your Eyes palette. So it's like 4 mood enhancing looks. This one here, I'm gonna try to keep this on so you can see. So there's 4 different palettes. Today I am going to be trying the Power one, which is this super golden one over here. So I am going to start off with the primer, which is like this base one here. Sweep it all over. And then the next that enhance is this middle one. I'm going to kind of put it in the crease region. super golden. All right, next is going to be this guy, which is the smoky part. So this one's gonna be as close to the eyeliner as possible. It's a really cool color. It's very coppery. Okay, so I blended it out a little bit. I used the original lighter color brush just to blend out the darker one to create this really smoky look. So next I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty eyeliner. It's because it's a smoky eye. I need to make sure that we define the eyes a little bit more. So we're going to be using the Velour Effortless Lashes. These are the For Real Though ones that I love so much. So now that I have my lashes on, I'm going to just top up my eyebrows just a little bit with the Anastasia Brow Definer. I'm not going to do it too thick just because the eyes are so strong. Brush them out. And then of course gotta coat it with some Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Just to make sure they stand up. And to finish my face, I am using the Laura Mercier highlighter. It's just one of my favorite highlighters. I've been using it for years. It's just really, really light and catches the light really naturally. So just blending in with the bronzer. Just using the more precise one for the nose. And then a little bit here. Alright, and for the lips, I am going to be using the Laura Mercier Naked Lip Liner, just to make my lips a little bit more nude, because the rest of the face is so bronzed. And just to give it a little bit of like a matte finish. Alright guys, that's the end of my makeup tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed watching me try this new Stars in Your Eye palette out by Charlotte Tilbury. I think that it is a really great and versatile palette for like the upcoming holiday seasons. I really, really, really like this power golden eyeshadow situation going on. And don't forget to like my video if you like this one, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and I will see you all next time.